Hi children, welcome back to our class. Today our topic properties of rational number. Before we are going to learn properties of rational number, let us revise properties of whole numbers and integers. Then do you know which is the first property? First property, closure property. Closure. Let us check closure property for all operation on whole numbers and integers. First operation, addition. Addition. Then can you say any two whole numbers? Whole numbers 3 plus 2. Whole numbers here 3 and 2. We add this number, we get which number? 5. Then when we add any two whole numbers, answer also another whole number. Sum of any two whole number is a whole number. Therefore, we can say that whole numbers are closed under addition. Whole numbers are closed under addition. Look another example. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Look, whole number plus whole number is equal to a whole number. Then some whole numbers are closed under addition. The next operation, subtraction. What happens in case of subtraction? Can you say any two whole numbers? Look here. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Look here. 3 is a whole number. Then another example. 3 minus 7. What is 3 minus 7? 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Look here. Negative 4 is a whole number. Negative 4 not a whole number. So we can say that whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. So answer look, it may or may not be a whole number. So we can say that the whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Then next which operation? Next operation, multiplication. What happens in case of multiplication? Look, 3 into 5 is equal to 50. And another 7 into 0 is equal to 0. Look, product of any two whole number is a whole number. So we can say that whole numbers are closed under multiplication. The next, division. Then when we divide any two whole number, what happens? Look, say any two whole number. Look, 8 divided by 4 is equal to which number? 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. The next, 7 divided by 5. Look, 7 divided by answer. Look, 7 by 5 means is it a whole number? No, this is not a whole number. So we can say that whole numbers are not closed under division. The next, you can check in closure property on integers. First we check whole numbers, then next integers. Then first operation, addition. Then sum of when we add any two integers. If you get an another integer, we can say that Then addition is closed under, integers are closed under addition. Then look, say any two integers, negative 8 plus negative 2 is equal to what is its answer? Negative 10. Here look, negative 8 is an integer and negative 2 is an integer and negative 10 also an integer. So, integer plus integer is equal to another integer. Then we can say integers are closed under addition. Then another example, negative 5 plus 3 is equal to answer negative 2. So, we can say that integers are closed under addition. Then next, subtraction. Subtraction, look, say any two integers, negative 5 minus negative 3. What is its answer? Its answer is negative 2. And look here, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Look, negative 2 and negative 6 is an integer. So, we can say that means when difference of any two integers is an integer. Therefore, we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. Then look what happened in case of multiplication. When we multiply any two integers, then negative 3 into positive 5. Then answer negative 50. This negative 15 is an integer. Then next 4 into negative 2. What is answer? Negative 8. Look, product of any two integer is an integer. Therefore, we can say integers are closed under multiplication. Then what happens in case of division? Then negative 8 divided by 2 is equal to negative 4. Then negative 7 divided by positive 3. Look, negative 7 by 3. Then negative 7 by 3 is an integer? No. So, we can say that these integers are not closed under division. Is it clear? Then next, closure property on rational numbers. Then first, when we first addition, when we add any two rational number, we get another rational number. So, we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. For example, take 2 by 7 means 2 upon 7 plus 3 by 7 is equal to what is its answer? 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is a rational number. Then another one more example, negative 5 by 9 plus negative 3 by 9. Look, what is its answer? What is its answer? Negative 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 8 by 9. Look, this also negative 8 by 9 is a rational number. So, we can say that then rational numbers are closed under addition. When we add any two rational numbers, its answer also another rational number. Sum of any two rational number is a rational number. The next subtraction. In case of subtraction, when we take any two rational number, look, negative 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. What is its answer? Its answer is negative 5 minus 2. What is its answer? Negative 7 by 9. Negative 7 by 9 is a rational number. Then another example. 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. Here look, 3 by 8 is also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under subtraction. When we difference of any two rational number, its answer also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under subtraction. The next, multiplication. Multiplication. Product of any two rational number is a rational number. Then we can say that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. For example, 2 by 3 into negative 6 by 2. Look, negative 12 by 6. Then negative 3 by 8 multiply negative 1 by 2. What is its answer? 3 by 16. Look, when we multiply any two rational number, its answer is also another rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Then what happens in case of division? When we divide any two rational number, what happens? Division, look, negative 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to answer. What is answer? Negative 3 by 8 multiply 2 by 1 is equal to negative 6 by 8. Here look, negative 6 by 8 is a rational number. Then another example, look, negative, another example, negative 3 by 4 divided by 0 is equal to, its answer is not defined. This answer not defined. So we can say that rational numbers are not closed under division. Rational numbers not closed under division. Is it clear? The next property, commutativity.